Access Health CT is on a mission to help members of underserved communities enroll in health coverage while also increasing the number of insurance brokers of color in those communities.
Here with us now is Tammy Hendrix, Director of Health and Equity and Outreach for Access Health CT. Thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you for having me.
First of all, you look beautiful.
Thank you so much.
That is the nicest color.
That.
It's like robin's egg blue.
Yes. You're kind of close to Tiffany's.
Thinking me of spring.
Yes,
exactly. It's so good. Nice to see you.
We're going with spring. So,
yes.
Some people might not be still unfamiliar. So what exactly is Access Health CT and its mission here in our state?
Yeah, so Access Health Connecticut is the state's official health insurance marketplace where you can shop, compare, and enroll in health and dental insurance. But we're also the only place you can qualify for financial help to reduce your health insurance costs.
Okay.
And actually, a majority of people that come through Access Health qualifies for some kind of financial help.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, so our mission is to decrease the number of uninsured residents in Connecticut, and so we know affordability is a huge part of that.
Now, I know you're Director of Health Equity and Outreach. What do you actually do for the company?
Yeah, so Health Equity and Outreach is actually a fairly new department within Access Health, and it was created in response to a study that was done. And so Access Health conducted a study in 2021. And basically from that study, we learned that although Connecticut ranked high in terms of health and wealth, significant health disparities still existed in communities throughout the state.
Yeah, and I'm sure that this is not just a Connecticut problem.
Absolutely, yeah. So Access Health created the Health Equity and Outreach Department, and I joined in August of 2021.
Oh, congratulations.
Yeah, thank you. And so fairly new.
Yeah, and this is Black History Month, and you have something called the Broker Academy.
Absolutely.
So this is, maybe good for the people who might need health insurance, but also good for people who are looking for work. Can you talk about Broker Academy?
Absolutely. So referring back to that study that I mentioned earlier, we learned that, significant health disparities still exist, but also there's a lack of trust in underserved communities throughout Connecticut. So the Broker Academy is a program that trains individuals from underserved communities to become health and life insurance brokers. We cover the cost of the program.
That's wonderful.
Yeah, we cover the cost of the program, training, licensing, and then we set the students up with a mentor at the end of the program to give them some hands-on experience. So we launched that program last year, and we had 29 new graduates, so 29 new graduates in communities that needed the help the most. Yeah.
So if I'm out there watching and I'm like, oh, this is something that I would be interested in doing, how do I do it?
Absolutely. So we have a webpage. The second year we are launching, and the application will be available on February 27th.
Okay.
And so we're looking to recruit another 100 students for the Broker Academy. You have to be 18 years or older.
Okay, 18.
Right, that's it. Minimum of a high school diploma or GED. And the most important part about the program is we look for candidates that have community service experience.
Yeah,
so we
right.
want you to be able to be active in your communities, to then join the program, and ultimately you go back and you help your communities.
Exactly.
Right? So we're building the careers for these students, but also they help their communities while making a very lucrative sum of money for their jobs.
Terrific.
That's great. And by the way, you're going to make money, but the program itself is absolutely free, right?
Absolutely free. Access Health covers the cost, and we actually had some grants from very generous foundations that supported the program. So it is covered. We cover the cost of training, licensing, and we set students up with a mentor at the end of the program for hands-on experience.
All right, so again, you're going to be accepting applications for the second year of the Broker Academy beginning February 27th.
Yes, and you can visit the Access Health Connecticut page. The Broker Academy page has all that information. And also we have information sessions coming up, and so you can sign up for those sessions as well on the Broker Academy page.
Well, that's
so
wonderful.
Registration starts February 27th, deadline by March 31st.
Yes.
Again, accesshealthct.com/Broker Academy, or follow them on social media at Access Health. So there you go. You've got Access Health CT, I should say.
Yes.
But how great, because someone can get a job, and it's a job with meaning, because you're going to help people have better health in their community.
Absolutely. And when these students go back to their communities, they're interacting with their friends, their families, and other community residents that they can relate to.
Absolutely.
Absolutely. So it's very important in terms of educating about health insurance.
Tammy, we can't thank you enough for coming in.
Thank you so much.
It's a
Thanks
pleasure.
for having me.
And again, let me know where you got that outfit.
Okay, White House Black Market.
Yes. I love it. Well, the viewers will want to know. All right, still to come in this Thursday afternoon. Do you have a hot date for Valentine's Day? But nothing to wear? No.
We've got a bunch of stylish looks you might want to try. Plus, here's Lauren Richardson.
All right, this week we are trying out a class all about balance and bands. It's actually called Barefoot Bands. I'm Lauren Richardson. I'm going to be telling you all about it. That's coming up.